Hi everybody! Happy Thursday and welcome back to my beauty page. So tonight I'm going to do a new eyeshadow look with you and I have actually not tried it. So I put together some colors that I think are going to be really pretty, but I have not actually tried it out. So I'm going to try it for the first time with you guys. Go ahead and let me know when you're on. Tell me hi. Let me know that you're here. So today what I'm already wearing on my face, before I get started on my eyes, let me tell you, I am wearing... So you can see on my cheeks right here, this pretty highlighter. I really like the new highlighter. It's called Canary Diamond right here. It's this bright white. And then I'm wearing this pretty pink blush. It's a really, really light. It's a little bit more matte. You can see like there's just a little bit of a pink color there, but it's not anything that's too dark. So anyway, that's what I have on right now, is I have on the Canary Diamond highlighter and the Hint of Pink blush. These are the three eyeshadows that I'm going to use today, and I'm going to use them with the Amethyst new liquid eyeshadow. So I'm excited about that. And then on my lips, I have on the new matte liquid lipstick. So I put this on beforehand and it was all matte. And then I put on a little bit of Fancy Nancy over the top just to give it like a little bit of a shine. And I really like the Fancy Nancy too. I think it's always pretty on top. So anyway, that's what I have on my lips as well. So I don't know, sometimes I like a bold lip, sometimes I like more natural, but today I wanted to show you this new limited edition matte pink. So let me know what you think about those things that I already have on, and now we're gonna get started on my eyes. So I'm really excited about this look. All right, let me find my brushes real quick. All right, so I'm gonna use my all over eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna use my blending brush. All right. And like I said, I'm using these eyeshadow colors. So the eyeshadow colors that I have here are Biscotti, which is that brighter white color up in the top. It's a matte white. Down beneath it is Sunlit Rose, which is kind of like a little bit of a pinkish and it's sparkly. And then down below that is Merlot, and that one is also matte. And it's like kind of like Merlot wine. Like that's really very, very similar. Okay, and then I'm going to use the Amethyst liquid eyeshadow as well. Here we go. So I'm going to start with the blending brush, and I'm going to pick up the Merlot, so the darker eyeshadow color, and I'm going to put a little bit in the corner of my eye. Now this Merlot is super pigmented, so you just need a teeny tiny little bit. That's it, just a little bit, and then you can blend it out. So I just put on a little bit, and now I'm going to blend it out. Okay, now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Oh, sorry if you can hear my dog barking. I just heard somebody's car door, so he gets all worked up. Okay, so first I'm starting with this Merlot. And then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to mix in the Biscotti next. So I'm going to take my all over powder brush, or my all over eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to take Biscotti in the inner part of my eye and just kind of work it towards that Merlot. Okay. Okay. A little bit towards that Merlot. Now next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my blending brush again, and I'm going to pick up the Sunlit Rose. So this is the kind of little bit more pinkish color, and I'm going to go ahead and blend that with the Merlot. Let's see how this looks. Okay, so I just kind of mixed all of them together with that Sunlit Rose. I think that's pretty. I like that. I like that color combination. And then on this side, I'm going to do the same thing. So whenever you're coming up with color combinations, what I try to do is I try to pick one dark color, one medium color, and one lighter color. And I think it's always easy if one of my go-tos is always usually Biscotti. Typically, that's always going to be part of it, like Biscotti or Sandcastle or Crystalline, something that's a little bit lighter like that, a bright color. And then you can kind of, if you really like really, really light shadows, then maybe your middle color is something like candlelight, like a little bit of a lighter sparkly color, and then you can make your darker one even hazelnut if you like things that are really light. But it's cool because you can customize them. So you can pull them right out of here. You can decide if you like them. If you don't, if you run out of one color more often than the rest, you can swap them right out. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the amethyst now, the amethyst eyeshadow, and I'm going to put a little bit right here. It's so pretty. It's so glimmery and pretty. Okay, now I'm going to use my cream color brush. Go ahead and just blend this together really quick. So it goes on liquid and it dries matte. I mean, it dries with sparkles, but it won't feel wet. It'll dry, it'll feel like it's dry. Okay, what do you guys think about this eyeshadow look so far? Now I'm going to take the blending brush and I'm just going to windshield wiper right in my crease line, back and forth, just to make sure that it's nice and blended. I don't have that harsh line between where it was liquid to matte. Okay, boom, done. So tell me what you think. Do you like this eyeshadow look? Is it too crazy for you? Do you love a little bit of a highlight like that? Tell me down below. Tell me what you think. All right, so now I'm going to put on some lash primer because I'm going to do my lashes next. The lash primer has vitamins in it, and it also is going to keep the mascara on your eyes. So if you watch my videos often, you already know all of these things, I'm sure, but I'm going to show you the Lash Fan Aroma tonight, which is regular line now. So it did not used to be regular line. We had it about a year ago. It was limited edition. It was awesome. I loved it so much. And then it went away and I was so sad. Oh my gosh, I was so sad, but I'm so happy that it is back. So our limited edition Lash Fan Aroma is now regular line. So it's not going anywhere and you'll be able to get your hands on it. It's $16 and I love this mascara. So I really like the sparkle, that little bit of a shimmer right on the eyelid. So no matter what your age is, I think it's pretty if you put it right on that eyelid. You can always add a little bit less too. I added a little bit more today. But I really love that glimmer right above, kind of like right above your eye, just to kind of really make your eye pop out a little bit. So I'm glad that you guys are liking it though. Good. Okay, and then the other thing is I did link my link up above. So if you guys want to shop at all, you can go ahead and look up in the top, the description. It has my link right up there. The other thing I wanted to mention, hey you guys, I see some of you on here. The other thing I wanted to mention is if you are a loyal customer of mine and you buy from me all the time, this month, September, Mary Kay is actually offering this really great deal where, oh my goodness, look at this. I just got mascara everywhere. They're offering this really great deal though, where this month, well, first of all, you can sign up for Mary Kay right now for only $30, which back when I signed up, it was $100 and that was the only option. So I'm like, I love the new $30 option. But also they're offering discounts right now too. So on your first order, if you do sign up in September, on your first order, if you place it in September or October, so you have a whole nother month to place your first order, you actually get a discount off of it. So you'll either get $25 or $50 off your first order, which is fantastic. I've literally never seen them do anything like it before. So I'm super excited, but I wanted to make sure that I mentioned it on here as well, because if you watch and you buy a lot of product from me and you are a loyal customer, maybe it's time to become a discount shopper and pay only the discounted price. And if you guys did not know, the discounted price for Mary Kay Consultant is actually 50% off. It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. And there's only one requirement. It's that you have to place one order a year, and that is it. So if you have any questions about that, or you want more information, you can just message me or comment down below and let me know that you want more information. I can send it over to you. Also, if you want the link to sign up and take advantage of that discount as well as the promotion this month, just let me know as well and I can send you over the link and then you can fill it out. So anyway, I had to make sure that I let you guys know about that because I cannot believe that they're offering a discount off your first order too. It's awesome. Absolutely awesome. Okay, so this has been my third coat of this Lash Fan Aroma on my top lashes. Now what I'm going to do for my bottom lashes is I'm just going to go ahead and kind of just real quick do my bottom lashes. Okay, now my eye look's all done. So what do you guys think? Do you like it? Would you wear it? Would you not wear it? Do you like it but you still wouldn't wear it? Like, tell me down below, what do you think about this look tonight? So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me every single Thursday. The other thing I'm going to add in here soon is going to be the link to my beauty box. So I do a monthly beauty box this month in September. I have already sent all of them out. So if you have ordered it, it is on its way. For October, I'm about to launch the new one, so keep an eye out for it. I will be posting the link and emailing out the information and all of that good stuff, so keep your eye out for it. But thank you guys so much for hanging out on here with me. Go ahead and go down below, and you can comment down below and let me know if you watched this video, if you liked this makeup look, all the good things. But I appreciate you guys so much hanging out with me. The other thing is I will post down below our winner from last week. So our winner who's getting a free full-size item in the mail, I'm going to post that winner down below, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your Thursday. Bye.